Valentine's Day has a special character, which is buying the most beautiful gifts for the beloved and the partner. Whether it is a bouquet of flowers, chocolates and other traditional gifts. On its part, but on the other hand, there are some rebellious people in giving gifts, and they always strive to differ and distinguish even if the gift presented has nothing to do with romance and love from near or far. In this video we gathered for you the funniest and strangest gifts that were presented on this day. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1. Divorce. A New Zealand radio station ran a special Valentine's Day program, in which a man was hosted to present a surprise to his wife on this day. Contrary to what is expected on this day when lovers rejoice and exchange pleasant gifts, the man requested the divorce live on the air from his wife, provided that the radio covers the cost of the divorce to free him from the miserable life that he lives. Number 2. A kissing course. Sherry Bird, an American psychiatrist, mentions in the book The Art of Teaching Kisses that the most beautiful gift on Valentine's Day that can be presented to the partner is the kiss. That is why she founded a school for teaching kissing art in 1998, where the price of a session for each partner is $275 and they are taught how to kiss. True. She urges them to use lips to express love rather than money. Number 3. Freeze the wife. There is a man from Scotland, who coincides with the death of his wife Valentine's Day in Edinburgh, and instead of her burial, he kept his wife's body in a chilled room in a mountain house, where he celebrates with her and renews his feelings every Valentine's Day to commemorate her love. Number 4. Forced marriage. There is a militant group in India that wanders the streets, cafes, restaurants and public places, and when it detects a couple sitting together and showing signs of love on them, they force them to marry, as this is a gift that lovers do not expect on this day. Number 5. Donate a kidney. On Valentine's Day, a woman donated her kidneys to her husband, who suffers from kidney failure, so that her act would be the greatest evidence of her love and devotion to him and the most precious gift that she could give him as an expression of her love. Number 6. French rabbits with red eyes. There is a species of rabbit that lives in France and is distinguished by red eyes. One of the owners of gift shops in the previous Valentine's Day in Kuwait imported a number of them and put a tie on their necks and put them in boxes to be presented to the beloved as a gift on this day. Number 7. 500 billion bacteria as a gift. A biologist in England presented his girlfriend with a card of 500 billion bacteria due to his obsession with his work, forming the bacteria and arranging them in a way that he wrote the word "I love you." Number 8. Red gas tube. Because of the crisis that many Egyptian families went through earlier, one of the Egyptian gift shops created a new gift within the gift offered for Valentine's Day, which is a red stove tube. Despite the strangeness of this gift, according to experts, it keeps pace with the crisis the country is going through. Number 9. Scorpion and cockroach as gift. There is a program in the United States of America called the Adoption Day Program, which is under the supervision of a zoo where you can adopt 10 crickets for $10 and get an official certificate approved by the zoo that you are the primary responsible for these animals. That is why one of the couples took advantage of this and offered cockroaches to his wife on Valentine's Day, as she loves animals and insects, in addition to a gift designed from plastic in the form of a cockroach. The zoo also enables you to adopt scorpions or any other animal you want. Number 10. Peppermint tablets. The international American actor, Brad Pitt, gave his ex-wife Angelina Jolie, when they were still in the engagement stage, a box of mint tablets to eliminate bad breath. In return, she gave him a diamond piece with love expressions written on it. That is all for now, guys. I wish you Happy Valentine's Day. If you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and smash that bell icon. Thank you.